Welcome to Project Bungalow. Here are 5 of my favorite things in this brand new, beautiful kitchen. Number 1 is the display cabinet you see when you first walk into the house. It holds all the cookbooks, extra knickknacks, and is a great way to feature something when you first walk in the door. Number 2 is sweet and simple, but it's a little extra shelf we've added along the surround countertops for all your salts and peppers, your cooking oils, and just keeps everything off the counters. Number 3 is a bit of a twist because it's not here yet, and that's the pot filler. It's such a luxury to be able to fill up your pasta pots and your cooking pots right here. So in just a few short weeks, our clients will be able to do that. Number 4 is this beautiful open concept space. We've taken down all the walls and opened it up, and it's just transformed the kitchen. Last and certainly not least, because it is my favorite, is this natural light, these brand new windows with a sink just underneath. So while you're doing the dishes, it's the perfect perch to be able to enjoy some nature and of course your beautiful new kitchen. Thanks for coming.